Hey guys, welcome to Tesla Tips and Tricks. Once again, we are doing a big road trip this time from the Los Angeles area up to the Monterey area, through San Jose, and we may or may not be stopping at Fremont. Don't tell anybody. And then we're going to go to San Francisco up there as well. So thanks for joining us here on Tesla Tips and Tricks, and this is part 1 of 2 of our road trip. All right, a quick update for you. We are almost in Goleta. There's the Supercharger that we're not going to because we've got plenty of range. And our first stop is going to be Buelton. So we left the northern Los Angeles County area. And our first Supercharger stop is going to be Buelton as we head up to Morro Bay. And then we'll figure out Supercharging from there. So our ultimate goal today is Monterey. There is your update. Oh, there's Santa Barbara Airport coming up. We are rolling up on the Superchargers here in Buelton at the Marriott. And there we are. We got some friends here already. So let's take a look. Is that one being iced? No. Which one should I take, Marcus? Just any old one, huh?
Yeah, one of these 4s right here.
All right, so we're in Buelton and we are at 49 miles. I'll tell you why I like to use miles instead of percentage on road trips, maybe later. But anyway, let's get plugged in. Okay, we are plugged in and we are ramping up here. Let's take a look. Flying up the chart there. All right, over 100 kilowatts. 130, 138, 138 kilowatts. It looks like we're peaking at.
139.
139. It'll probably go up. All right, not bad. Not bad at all. All right, we have arrived at Morro Bay. We're gonna have some lunch. This is pretty cool. There is the giant rock. Look at that. That is quite the rock. What do you think, Marcus?
I think Dwayne Johnson's a better rock.
Ha ha. And here's an anchor. All right, here we are. We're at Atascadero Supercharger. Look at this. These are nose in, and oh, maybe not all of them, just that one. So we're going to check this out. We're going to get just enough juice to get to Greenfield, so we're not going to be here too long.
If you want 2A, because
Not 2B?
No, 2A or 2B.
Okay.
Because
What Marcus is talking about there is you don't want to be on the same number stall on these V2s, even though these are slower V2s.
they're actually V1s.
Oh, these are V1s. So same rules apply. You don't want to be on the same number because then you're sharing power.
Yeah.
All right, let's get her charged up. We are on 3A at Atascadero. Marcus is going to plug us in. Oh my gosh, a 12-year-old with high voltage power. What are we going to do? Nice. You survived.
I survived 57 clubs.
All right, let's see what we're ramping up to. We are at 0. Charging stopped. Charging equipment reports error. All right, well, that's not good. Let's see what happens now. Oh, something. At least it's not an equipment fault. And our Tesla just texted me, so said it's charging. And we are ramping up. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Look at that one.
Oh, hey, that's the one I've known.
We are getting up to 110 kilowatts.
110.
Check out this awesome blue S here.
Share.
That is cool.
It's about to share.
That is cool. I love that wrap. Pretty cool, huh? Oh, thumbs up.
Starbucks.
All right, so we are charged up, ready to go to Greenfield. The reason I use miles on the battery, by the way, is because when you're on a trip, it shows you the percent as well. So I like having both. So we are going from Atascadero to Greenfield next. All right, here we are in beautiful Greenfield, California. And there are some Superchargers, and we're gonna use them to charge to our next destination. Hey, let's pick this one. Because they're all kind of full, aren't they?
There's like 3 open over there, so.
So this is not a good place? All right, here we go. We are gonna plug in. See how it goes. Are you gonna plug in? I might need to move up. Let's see.
Well, just choose the one that's out.
Right. All right, we are plugged in. Let's go check out our rates.
Yeah, I'm going to drive an hour and a half. Okay.
Oh, we're ramping up fast. Look at that. Boom, just like that. We're up to 90, 95, 100, 108, 110, 112. Here we go. Oh, I can hear the cabinets. We're right next to the cabinets. And they are fired up too. They are so excited.
130.
130. Look at us go. 131. All right, we got to get enough to get to Monterey. are leaving Monterey. Had a great time at the aquarium. Kids really loved it. If you guys are interested, I highly recommend it. We're heading to Sand City real quick for a quick top off, and then where are we going, guys?
Fremont, California.
And why is that famous?
It's the birthplace of all Teslas.
Well, right now that is, yes. So we are excited to go see where Tesla was made, and we're going to supercharge there. All right, here we are. We're rolling into Sand City. I see why the place is named that, because there is literally sand everywhere. And this is a relatively new supercharger. We're going to do a quick top up because we are headed. This is Tesla Supercharger number 59 for us. And so that means there's something really cool about the next one we're going to. So here we are, Sand City. We're going to just do a quick top up to get there. We're at 79 miles right now. Mr. Supercharger shirt is plugging in.
Yes.
And we are
Look at this weird install.
plugged in. Yeah, I know. It's like multi-phased. And on the other side of the superchargers, what is there?
Charge points.
Charge points. That's cool. Love it.
All right, we're at 8 kilowatt now.
Okay, we are charged up from Sand City, 150 miles. We're going to make a stop off at the beach, have some lunch, and then we are off to Apple headquarters, and then a little place called Fremont. And we'll be doing stuff there too. All right, we are at Apple Headquarters Visitors Center. There is the circular UFO-looking building. I don't know if I can zoom here. Yep, there we go, right beyond those trees. We're gonna go up top, and I think we can go on the balcony on the Visitor Center and take a better look at it, but that's it. You can see it here on the map. It's so cool. So we're gonna check out the Apple Visitor Center. That looks like some sort of EV there, security. Apple Visitor Center is right here, which I think is basically an Apple store without any repair stuff. So, and I think they have a cafe. So we'll check that out.
Where's our keyboard? Here are the new keyboards. Oh, Daddy.
We are officially at Tesla Fremont. We're gonna go supercharge for the 60th time in this car. Look at all these cars. What's the Audi doing there? So these are mostly all new ones, I think, that people can deliver and pick up. Maybe not, they have license plates, so I don't know.
Maybe they're employees.
They could be employees, yeah. All right, here we go. We're gonna supercharge at Fremont. This is awesome. We are plugging in at Tesla Fremont with our Tesla Supercharger kid and his shirt. What's it going to be like? Is it going to work?
Oh, better. $170.
170, which is the max for our car, sadly. We can't go to 250, but we are getting max speeds.
171.
We are getting max speeds on our SR Plus here at Fremont. We timed that perfectly to get that. so our time at Tesla Fremont, supercharging our car for the 60th time in its life at its birthplace, I guess you'd call it. We brought our Tesla home to charge for the 60th time at Fremont, and we are now at 170 miles, and that should be good enough for our trip as we head into San Francisco. Cool X. Look at that. Ooh, ah. There seem to be a lot of Teslas here. I'm not sure why.
That is a lot of Teslas.
Look at that. Oh my God, it's so cool. There are the truckload of Teslas getting ready. Oh my God, that's so cool. All right, that concludes part one of our trip to Monterey, San Francisco from the LA area in our Tesla Model 3 SR Plus 2019. I think the rated range originally was 240 miles. Super simple trip. We are now headed to San Francisco from Fremont. That was so exciting, so much fun. And part two is coming up. So thank you so much for watching. And if you like what we're doing here at Tesla Tips and Tricks, feel free to subscribe. Hit the bell if you want to get notified and all that fun stuff. So we will see you on part two, where we will explore San Francisco and the Golden Gate Bridge and Fisherman's Wharf and all that kind of fun stuff. So we'll have some touristy kind of videos as well. And the part two of the video will also include the ride home back to Los Angeles and the Supercharger stops there too. So thanks so much again, and we'll see you on the next one here at Tesla Tips and Tricks.